If you're looking for a trusted full-service investment platform in 2025, Schwab is a top choice. It offers a wide range of investment options from stocks and ETFs to mutual funds and retirement accounts. Charles Schwab stands out with its commission-free trades, robust research tools, and educational resources that help both beginners and experienced investors make informed decisions. In 2025, Schwab has enhanced its mobile app experience, making it easier than ever to manage your investments on the go with real-time data and intuitive features. The platform also offers excellent customer support and access to financial advisors if you want personalized guidance. Whether you are just starting out or building a diversified portfolio, Charles Schwab provides the tools and support to help you invest confidently this year. You check it out. And just don't forget to like, follow, and stay tuned for more finance app reviews. And drop a question. Any questions you have, we do have a video for that. And if you don't have one, we will make one and help you clear your doubts out.